one API every model. That is the whole promise of OpenRouter. Over the next 10 minutes, we will unpack what it really does and why routing quietly became one of the smartest layers in the modern AI stack. By the end, you will know exactly when to reach for it and when to skip it. Start with the mess it cleans up. Today, every provider is a different door. A new key, a new SDK, a new billing dashboard, every single time you want to try another model. It works, but it does not scale past a couple of providers. Say you want OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Meta, and Mistral in the same app. That is 5 vendors to sign up with, 5 SDKs to wire, and 5 separate bills to reconcile every month. You can wire each provider yourself forever, or you can wire it once. That is the case for a gateway. One endpoint sits in front of every model instead of a growing tangle of clients and keys. And the switch is almost nothing. Point the OpenAI SDK at OpenRouter's base URL, drop in one key, then name any model as a plain string. 2 lines change. The rest of your code stays exactly the same. This is the front door. OpenRouter calls itself the unified interface for large language models. Better prices, better uptime, no subscriptions. One clean interface sitting in front of every frontier lab. Behind that one key sits a catalog. 400+ models from 70+ providers, all reachable through a single OpenAI-compatible API. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, DeepSeek, and dozens more, all behind the same call. One integration, and you have the entire market. And it is not only text. The catalog spans image models, audio, video, embeddings, re-rankers, speech, and transcription. Every modality addressed through the exact same interface. Here is the real models page. Every model, filterable by price, context, length, modality, and speed. You can compare them side by side before you write a single line of code. So here is the interesting question. When you send one request to one endpoint, what actually happens next? This is where routing comes in and where OpenRouter gets clever. Routing is really 2 independent decisions. First, which model answers your request. Second, which provider actually serves that model. OpenRouter separates the 2 and handles each one on its own. Because a popular model is often sold by several providers at once. The same weights, different machines, different prices. OpenRouter treats those providers as interchangeable sellers, competing for your call. The docs say it plainly. One unified API, hundreds of models, a single endpoint, while it automatically handles fallbacks and picks the most cost-effective option for you. So how does it choose a provider? By default, 3 rules. First, skip any provider that had an outage in the last 30 seconds. Second, prefer the cheapest healthy providers. Third, keep the rest as fallbacks. Any provider that stumbled recently drops to the back of the line, not out of it. And cheaper does not just mean first in line. It weights providers by the inverse square of price. A $1 provider is roughly 9 times more likely to be tried than a $3 one. Do not want to pick a model at all? You do not have to. Send your request to the auto route, and you hand model selection over to OpenRouter itself. You literally set the model to OpenRouter Auto. From there, a router chooses the best model for each individual prompt, from a curated pool, without you touching your code again. That auto router is powered by a system called Not Diamond. It scores a model per prompt, and a single dial lets you trade raw capability against cost, from most capable to cheapest. One end of that dial is raw intelligence, the other end is the lowest bill. There are 2 shortcuts worth memorizing. Add Nitro to a model, and it sorts for throughput, the fastest provider. Add Floor, and it sorts for the lowest price instead. Now the part people actually feel. A provider goes down mid-request. OpenRouter just tries the next one. Failover is on by default, and your app never notices the hiccup. And here is the kind detail. If a request fails, you are not billed for it. They call it zero completion insurance. Failed calls cost you 0. So step back for a second. Why does all of this routing actually win, compared with just picking one good model and moving on with your life? The honest answer is that no single model is best at everything. Because models vary wildly. Independent trackers like artificial analysis measure the same models on intelligence, on speed, and on cost. The spread between them is enormous. On the very same task, the cheapest capable model can cost a few cents, while the priciest costs nearly $3. That is roughly 69 times the bill for comparable work. Same benchmark, same answer quality, wildly different cost. Pick one model and lock it in forever, and you are stuck with its price and its bad days. Route every request, and each call quietly flows to whatever fits it best right now. That flips the whole dynamic. Instead of you being loyal to one lab, the models compete for every request, on price and on performance. And you, the developer, win. This is not theory. OpenRouter publishes live rankings, built from real usage by millions of developers routing through the platform every week. You can watch demand shift in real time. The scale is genuinely hard to picture. Roughly 100 trillion tokens flow through OpenRouter every month, across more than 10 million users. It has become real infrastructure. And that scale rests on a simple bet. The founders wagered that AI would not be winner-take-all, that many models would coexist, and that someone had to be the interoperability layer between them. Their own usage report even analyzed 100 trillion tokens of real traffic to prove the point. It is also open where it counts. The team ships open-source SDKs and tooling on GitHub, so you can read how the routing, the fallbacks, and the accounting actually work. For bigger teams, there are serious controls. Bring your own provider keys, turn on zero data retention, and set custom data policies over exactly which providers may ever see your prompts. You control exactly what leaves your own walls. Bring your own key is the big one. You keep your existing deals with OpenAI or Anthropic, plug those keys into OpenRouter, and still get the routing and the failover on top. Now, to be fair, this is not magic. Putting one gateway in front of everything buys you convenience, but it also introduces a single, shared point of failure. In August 2025, a database incident took OpenRouter down for about 50 minutes. And because everything flowed through it, the fallbacks went down right along with it. That is the honest limit. OpenRouter can route around a failing provider, but it cannot route around itself. When the router is down, so is your fallback. So when should you actually reach for it? When you need many models behind one API when cost control matters, when you want automatic failover, and when shipping fast beats squeezing out every last cent. If none of those fit, a single provider SDK is simpler, and you should just use that. You could always build your own gateway, but that means owning the SDKs, the retries, the accounting, and the provider quirks yourself forever. For most teams, buying that layer wins. So here is the mental model to keep. OpenRouter is a meta layer, one thin, standard interface sitting on top of a messy, fast-moving, fragmented market of models. Strip it down and you get four things: one key for everything, one consolidated bill, smart routing to the best option, and automatic failover when a provider stumbles. That is the whole story: one API 400+ models, smart routing underneath, and your own code barely changes to get it. The entire integration is still just one familiar request. The same SDK, one base URL, one key, and a model name. Everything else OpenRouter handles for you. So the takeaway is simple. Stop integrating providers one by one, start routing across all of them, and let the market work in your favor. The old instinct was to pick one model and marry it. The new default is to let the task pick the model, request by request, automatically. If this made routing click, there is a lot more where it came from. Naman AI breaks down the systems behind modern AI, decoded before you need them. Subscribe and route smarter, not harder.